Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen from your video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open a project I have just created in my InShot. This is the project, and as you can see, I have imported a green screen video to this project. And if you want to remove this green screen from this video, we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the cutout option. This one guys, click on this cutout option and you have to choose chroma feature. Okay, and since we want to remove the green screen, we can pick the green color like this, and you can adjust the strength and the shadow as well, like this. Once you're done, you can click on this check mark and click on this check mark again, and this is the final result. As you can see that the green screen has been removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove green screen from our video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.